What if I told you that everything of yours, your thoughts, your emotions, your memories are just a dance of trillions of atoms? Yes, we as a human being are made up of large number of atoms, and atom is small. But it is really small, or it is relatively small, because we are made up of large number of atoms. In this video, we are going to explore why we require that large number of atoms to be what we are, and is there any relationship between this quantum world and our human body? Let's explore with me. So we human are made up of cells, and each cell require large number of atoms. Why? To make those complex structure of proteins, neurons, and stuff like that. So the simple answer is, for accuracy and stability, we require large number of atoms. And if you want to understand it more deeply, then let's say single pixel cannot create that detailed image. We require large number of pixel for detailed image. We require large number of atoms to make those complex structure of protein, so that all our organs can work well. We require large number of atoms to make complex structure of that thought process of neurons in our mind, for better and clear thoughts, better memory, and stuff like that. See, this is not the only parameter or factor. There are other things also involved for the thought process and the consciousness, but yes, this is one of the reason, and that we will discuss sometime later. So that large number of atoms gives us more complexity and stability. Now, if I bring that quantum physics, quantum world into the picture, then if I scale down ourselves to an organism with fewer atoms, then we also scale down to a quantum world where quantum uncertainties are there, which creates more randomness, and where multiple states are possible, where the things have in more probabilities. The thing is, no stability is there, no accuracy is there. So that sheer number of atom average out this randomness, and magically it gives birth to a classical world which is more stable, more accurate, and where the life possible. So that large number of atom give us that stability to live, to have a better thought process. And the beautiful analogy is with quantum computing. Quantum computers have large number of qubit for better memory thing. Similarly, we human being require large number of atoms for better mining. Okay, so this is much for today's video. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe for more quantum fun.